Hey guys, Tyler out of Guaranty. Have I got a special surprise for you? I want to ask our technicians a very important question for you guys. Mickey, I got a very interesting question for you. What would you say is the #1 most overlooked maintenance item that a customer brings in that they never look at?
Transmission flushes.
A transmission flush, as you heard it here, guys. But guess what? We're going to ask everybody in the shop. Hold that thought. Sebastian, what is the #1 overlooked maintenance item that a customer doesn't pay attention to when they bring their car in?
Probably their brake system.
Their brake system. You heard it here, guys. Isaac, the burning question for you, my friend. What is the #1 most overlooked maintenance item that a customer does not pay attention to on their vehicle?
Let's see, detailing. You got to detail your car.
Detailing. I like it. I like it. Keep it clean, right?
Exactly.
Keeping it clean, guys. You heard it here straight from Isaac's mouth. Can we interrupt your oil filling station here, Luke?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Luke, what would you say is the #1 most overlooked maintenance item that a customer overlooks when they look at their car?
Engine air filter.
Engine air filter. You got to keep that engine air filter clean so it gets nice, clean air to it.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Luke. I appreciate that. Nate Dogg's in the house, guys. Nathaniel, the burning question of the day, my friend. What would you say is the #1 most overlooked maintenance item for a customer when they bring their car in?
I would say it's a toss-up between the four-wheel drive service, the front and rear diff and T-case, and brake flush. I've seen a lot of the older rigs that come in, people that still bring them in the dealerships. Brake fluid's like black, dark green, and brake fluid has an interesting characteristic. It is what is called hygroscopic. It means it actually has a tendency to absorb moisture. And because we live in the Pacific Northwest, there's a lot of moisture here.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it's important to maintain, especially brake fluid, to maintain fluid capacity, make sure that you're having it flushed every time you do a brake job, or even just every 30,000 miles or 3 years, whatever the manufacturer says.
There you go, guys. Brake fluid. Very, very key to get your brake fluid inspected and changed so you keep a safe car. Ooh, Alex.
Okay.
Alex, we'll put him on the spot because he has no idea what we're doing. And here we have Alex, lube tech extraordinaire. What would you say is the #1 most overlooked maintenance item that a customer overlooks on the maintenance of their car?
Power steering flush.
Power steering flush. Ooh, we're getting a lot of good ideas here. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. All right, guys, here we are with Chris Story, our newest service writer at the dealership. Chris?
Yes.
What would you say is the most overlooked maintenance item for a customer when they bring their car in?
Tire rotation.
Tire rotation. Now that is a good one. You got to keep the tires rotated so they keep an even wear. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Hey, man.
And here we have the man, the myth, the legend, Tony Taylor. Tony Taylor, I got a burning question for you, my friend.
Yes.
What is the most overlooked maintenance item for a customer to keep their car running good?
Transmission service.
Transmission service. I think we've heard that a couple of times. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. And here it is, guys. This is the one that matters. Mr. Storelli, Blake, Blockay, Mr.
Balake in the house.
Blockay in the house, service manager extraordinaire at Guaranty Chevrolet. What is the most overlooked maintenance item for a customer to keep their car maintained and running smoothly?
I'm going to say cabin and engine air filters.
You heard it here, folks. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, or if you just want to stop by and get the best shop in Lane County to work on your car, give these guys a call. Thanks again.